Hi friends, if you are looking for a clean and minimal WooCommerce WordPress theme, this video is for you exactly. I have Skudmart WordPress theme in this video, and it is really a very clean and minimal with design WordPress theme, and it is really good. So I will show you the demo as well. The theme has been developed by La Studio, and they are good developers, they are elite authors in fact, and it was developed in 2019, and regular updates for this theme is also being done. Skudmart WordPress theme comes with 15 plus fabulous designs in fact, and I'm sure one of the design will definitely meet your requirements, and the stunning collection of pages makes you enable to use the website in a very professional manner, and there are thousands of customers using already this theme, and this is why the theme has been selected to be on this channel. And I'll show you the demo website. This is the one of the demo website. So this is the one of the demo website. It is here, and Skudmart WordPress theme really present simple, minimalistic and to the point e-commerce website, of course, and it is party night. And I'll show you one of the listings, how it looks for a single page listing. This is the listing, and it is really a professional design, no doubt. It has all the features with the minimal design, and the wall background really presents the contents in a better manner. So we are going to install Skudmart WordPress theme in this video, and we will also preview the theme options along with the demo content and the customization option. Stay tuned and watch this video till end, because you never know what facilities are available in this theme, and before selecting any theme you should know the best of the features available in the theme. So you have a reason to subscribe this channel as well, because I am always bringing the best wonderful WordPress theme and plugin utilities, of course. So you can even ask for plugins which is not being displayed or illustrated on this channel. I will definitely make another videos for you, and you can get Skudmart WordPress theme by following the link given in the description of this video. So all is ready for you. What we need, we need to install the Skudmart, and I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which the 2021 WordPress theme has been installed by default, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I have some assets in the demo data is here in the assets. Bundle plugins has been given in the theme pack. So La Studio, header builders, revolution slider, and Skudmart demo data is here. Documentation, licensing is also here, online documentation and readme. Fine. So theme files is here, the Skudmart main theme file and the child theme file. Let us begin the installation without any further delay. We have to go in the theme section of WordPress. For this, click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose the skudmart.zip file. And if you are having direct access on your hosting, so you can upload the same file to the WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. It will save some time, and I will be able to show you the theme file size, which is important for you. And the theme is really having very lightweight. It is a great thing that the theme is well optimized, and this is why it is going to work very fast on your website as well. The theme size is just 1.71 MB in size. So rarely I have seen such optimized theme. And once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back. And I must tell you, both the activities of uploading theme are same. Either you can upload through the WordPress interface, or you can upload the theme directly in the WP content themes folder. I have done the same, and now we can extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this Skudmart folder in which we got all the theme components. So folders and files are here, and now we can delete the zip one. Okay, so now we are fine to go on the theme section again, and now we have Skudmart as another theme option. So Skudmart is a clean minimal WooCommerce theme, and we can activate it now. And upon activation, we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins at this stage, and we are going to install plugins. Let us see what plugins are in list, and these are the list of plugins which are required for the using this theme. This theme uses Elementor. So Elementor is of course a very wonderful page builder. Elementor is here, Live Studio Core and other plugins are here, and it of course having WooCommerce because it is e-commerce website. So I am choosing to install all the plugins in one go, and if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugin one by one to avoid any error during the plugin installation process. And now you can see all the plugins has been installed in just few seconds. We can go back and activate the installed plugins. Okay, so plugins are being activated now. Oh, this is good. So all plugins has been activated, and simply click on dashboard. I believe the WooCommerce needs one step more for filling the basic data. Yes, it is redirecting on the same page. So you have to put all the concerned information which is applicable for you for your e-commerce website here, in the address and all such informations are here. I am skipping this step because my WooCommerce is already installed and I don't need to put all such information for demonstrating the theme. Okay, fine. So we have done now, and we have installed the theme and the all set of plugins itself. So, and we can take a look of our website how it looks, and this is the Skudmart basic look, and it is of course without any demo content. And now we have a target website like any of this. So we have to import the demo content at this stage, and I'll find the demo content imported at this stage, and how we can make a website like demo website for further working on that. So let me find out and my meal is also getting prepared. Meanwhile, I'll show you all the things. So I'm looking for the demo imported. Theme options are here. I'll show you the complete theme options of course, but first I need to import the demo content, and it is not here. Dashboard is here. I never hide anything during my installation process. This is why I am searching with you where the demo importer is available, and if it is really available it should be here, and I don't know where it is. Immediate pop-up and also things, typographic, colors, logo, and let me find out. And finally I found that it is laying under the tools. Okay, so it is rare. So however, it is available in the tool section. It is demo importer is here under tools, and now okay, so everything is here and all the options are here. Wonderful options are here, and you can choose any as per your need and choice. So it is giving you the best options as well. So I am choosing the first one. This is the fashion modern, and just clicking on import demo. Yes, and the demo import process has begun, and it is saying please wait. Yes, we are waiting, and we have to wait until the process gets complete. Don't refresh or leave this page. Remember, don't leave or refresh this page. And now it is showing import is complete, and yes. So this is a long list, and it is simply saying import complete. So we can take a look of our website now, how it looks with the content, and then I will show you the theme options as well. And something great is loading. Okay, really. So it is good, and we got all the things here, and the website is complete here with all the images, and it got imported in just few seconds. It is also amazing. So complete website is here, pages are here, and something. Okay, so we just need to handle the menu, and okay, good. So okay, so inner pages are also very good, of course. It is really minimal, but it is effective. I have seen this effect very first time, and upon a scroll it is sliding something like thing, and it is good. And I'll show you the collections, modern collection, metro layout. Oh my god, it is really good, and no doubt it is a great website, and it is going to be a wonderful choice for you for your e-commerce website as well. And now it is time to show you the theme options and what we got additional in the WordPress installation. And it is team member is here, portfolio is new, and okay. So I'll directly show you the theme options, which is the most important part. Okay, so this is the general setting. General setting gives you privilege to set the basic things, like global layout is how you want to show your website, like full page or in distributed manner, and custom web icon, logo. Okay, so logo can be handled in header builder. Colors you can manage, complete colors can be managed. Page preloads is here. Typography, so typography is here. Body, all headings, and the complete range of typography. So what you can handle anything, whatever you want for mobile, laptops, tablets, and any device you can set different typography. And this is the header section, and page header bar, breadcrumbs, global breadcrumbs is here, global page header, blog post, single product, single portfolio, WooCommerce, and all archive portfolio, sidebars. Okay, so there are many settings, broad settings are here. You can control your website. Footer is here, and blog, shop, portfolio, 404, social media, and newsletter, pop-up. Okay, so pop-up can be handled from here. Additional code and some extensions are also here. Okay, great. So we have all the control as required in the website, and I don't think anything else is required, and it is complete, actually a complete website. And now I'll show you how to edit the page contents. So this theme uses Elementor for the page builder, and Elementor is very good page builder, of course. And whatever page you want to edit, just open that page and click on edit with Elementor. So what I'll rather advise you to take a backup of page using any duplicator plugin to just in case you made any mistake, you can restore the page using that backup. And if you are well versed in the Elementor, it is fine, you can go directly for editing, but backup is a good practice, and you can use that practice. So content is very simple to edit, and just click on the pencil icon. The area will be active in the left section, and yes, happy shopping and all such information. And these sections are item section, and you can change anything just clicking is required. And just remember, you have to put the content length almost in the same length, just shown in the demo to maintain the integrity of website. Rest will be fine, and you will be able to make a wonderful website using this theme. And I believe I have shown you everything. You might have any questions regarding this theme, just feel free to write me in the comment section of this video, and I am also giving the link of my website where you can get this theme and you can get in touch directly with me for any support. I'll definitely try to help you out, and in the next video I'm coming with a wonderful theme and even with some plugins. Keep watching. Thank you.